Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Brandon here, back with another video. And in today's video guys, I got a really cool sneaker. This sneaker is supposed to come out in well, by the time I post this, probably tomorrow, August 1st. Yeah, it's a really cool collab between two brands that are really popping right now. So let's get right into the video. So yeah guys, right here we have a all black Nike box, and on the side of the box it says Undercover by Jun Takahashi. I don't know if it'll pick it up. There we go. So yeah guys, this is of course an Undercover Nike Daybreak. This is the collab that Nike and Undercover had. I believe they released it like a month ago in June. Yeah, in June they released it, and then now they're releasing some more colorways, and these are coming out on August 1st. So the colorway that I have, which is, if you saw my tier list video of June, you'll know exactly what color this is. Yeah, you got the Undercover wrapping paper right here, and then here are the shoes, and these are the Daybreaks in the bright Citron, or I just say the yellow ones. So yeah, these are the shoes guys. They are really out there. They're pretty bright. They come tied, which I've never seen like with shoes like this. This collab comes from Jun Takahashi, which is the Undercover brand that he has, and that brand has been popping for a while. It's probably one of the bigger streetwear brands of the decade. So it's kind of cool to see them collab again with Nike. They had another collab on the React Element 87s that a lot of people were going crazy after. Like, some of those colorways are super nice. So yeah, that's where the collab kind of came from Undercover and Nike just going at it again. Quick rundown of the shoe. So all on the top you got like this kind of like mesh material. It's pretty soft, but like the yellow part is, and then like the gray is all suede, pretty nice. And then here on the back, this is all suede here, the black part, and then this like plastic, this really hard plastic gray material. I don't even know what to call this, but it's like a little I don't know what to call that, but it's like just coming out. And then on the back you have the Undercover logo there on the tab. You got black laces. On the tongue you got a I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a blue Nike swoosh kind of logo. And then on the bottom you have a waffle sole, just like the Sakai waffles. Yeah, these are pretty hard in my opinion. I feel like I could get like some pretty nice fits with these. And also on the midsole, you got the Undercover logo right there. I don't know if it'll pick it up, but yeah, you got the Undercover logo, and then you got some like speckled like a speckled print on the midsole. Quality of these, like just feeling them up, they are pretty soft. So the resale on these, when I got them off Essence manually. I got them on Friday, and they came here on Monday. So they got here in 2 days. Actually, did I get it on Friday? I think I got it on Thursday, actually. I'm not sure, let me check. Okay, yeah, so I got these on Thursday, July 25th, and they came here on Monday. So Essence has free 2-day shipping, which is pretty nice. So yeah, that's how I got these early. They are sold out, obviously, on Essence, but I think these might actually sit on shelves because right now their prices tanked super hard on StockX. Like, when I got them on Thursday, they were going for like 300 bucks. And then I checked yesterday once I got them, and they were at like 190, 180 around there. You could even find some for like retail, or people are just like selling them and losing money on them. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I'll probably just end up keeping them because I mean, I like them, but like my dilemma was I didn't know if I liked them enough to not sell them for 300 bucks. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but yeah, I'll probably just keep these if that's the case. I don't know if they'll go back up depending on how much stock there is, because right now there's literally no stock of these and they're already bricking. So I don't see these going up in value. anything, I see them going down in value, just like the other Daybreaks. But honestly, this is the best colorway that the Daybreak has had. The other two, they're kind of just plain in my opinion. Like, they're not plain, but they're just kind of boring colorways. Like, this one's loud. Like, this is a neck breaker. That's why I like these. But the other two are kind of just there, you know. Yeah, I don't really see these going too up in price. If anything, you could probably get them on a good deal after they release. This shoe is a lot crazier, I'd say, than the React, just because of that like thing on the back. I don't even know what that's called, but it's kind of like, people say it looks like a shark mouth kind of thing. I've seen, I don't know. It looks kind of cool though to me. Like, it looks kind of interesting, and it like brings something out of the shoe. That's why I kind of like them. A lot of people think they're ugly. I don't think they're ugly. I like the colorway though. Like, I like the black and yellow. Like, that looks just so hard. I don't have yellow shoes, so that's why I kind of want to keep them. But yeah, so this is not the first time that Undercover and Nike have collabed. They collabed on the 87, and I'd say these are not as good as the 87s, but these are definitely worth taking a look at. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel for more content. I will be posting some more videos this week. I got another pickup coming that's on the way, and I got some Funko Pops on the way that I want to be doing a haul on. So yeah, just stay tuned for that, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and peace.